Hi guys, welcome back to my 25 days of GlossyBox. So today is actually Christmas Eve, but I am going to open day 25 now because I am actually away for Christmas and my sisters. So really disappointed, to be honest, with the calendar. I think I will actually be contacting GlossyBox about it. I don't think they'll do anything about it because of a previous incident a few months ago. So I'm not going to hold out much hope, but I'm really not happy that the amount of money I've spent and for what I've got. Other people are really happy with it, but I'm just not. It's a lot of sample sizes, products that I'd never even think of buying. So anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling on and we're gonna get right in and do day 25. So I think you just carefully take this off here because I want to keep the box. So I do actually already know what this one is. So, and it is quite a decent one, to be fair, and I'm glad that it is the last one. So, yep, 25th of December 2018. Let's have a look. Looks so empty now, but I am going to keep it. Okay, so we have a Huda Beauty palette. It's a really nice one as well. The Winter Highlighter palette. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like that, which is really pretty. And then there's your colours. Now, I can see probably, I know I definitely won't use this one because it's too yellowy. But other than that, I might do. So, even though this is a fab gift for day 25, and it is a really expensive gift, I'm still not fully impressed. Just makes me think that the people that have reviewed them and have been all singing and dancing about them, that it's the best calendar ever. I've cut such as Eltoria for one of them. I can't help thinking that they got sent theirs free. Now, in one vlog, Eltoria said that she bought this calendar, but I am sure in a more recent one, she said she was gifted it, I think. So that's probably why hers, for instance, was absolutely raving about it. I mean, I'm not really into my brands as such anyway, so half of them I've never heard of before anyway. But what there is in their samples, sample size. So the £12.99 Maybelline calendar is the best in my view, to be fair. The way it's been set out is absolutely gorgeous, don't get me wrong. GlossyBox are always absolutely brilliant with their packaging. They really do make it stunning, and I especially like this because it's rose gold and pink and gold, so I do really like this packaging. So on that point, yeah, they do a really good job. Customer service, not so good. A few other things, not so good. And disappointed with what I've got. So, yeah, there we have it. That is all 25 days of GlossyBox. I know I've only done it in like I think I've done 3 sittings because I was poorly, so I did a load and then, you know, caught up. Done another load and caught up, and that's what I've just done now as well, because it's actually Christmas Eve today, but I've obviously done number 25 as well. So I've done them in 3 sittings, but it just seems to have gone so quickly even so. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this series. As I said, I will be doing more advent calendar openings because I have ordered some that are in the sale. So I am looking out for some of the advent calendars that will go into the sale, so I will do those after Christmas. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the series, and definitely make sure you do go back to day 1 and catch up, and also watch my Maybelline unboxing. And like I said, I will be doing some others that I have already got in the sale, and then I'm going to try and find the Nails Ink one, for instance. That's one that I really do want to get. So yeah, keep checking. But thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. Have an absolutely fantastic Christmas and a really safe and happy New Year. So that's it. Merry Christmas from me to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a nice comment below, and a share would be great too. Okay, Merry Christmas everyone. Bye.